Hey you guys, welcome back. If you haven't met me, my name is Darla. Very nice to meet you. What we're going to be talking today about is a new serum that I am trying out that I'm kind of in love with. As you guys know, I love anti-aging skincare. It is a pleasure for me to try new things, see if they work, see if they don't work. I am on probably 6 weeks maybe of using this guy right here, which is MURAD's new Revitalixir Recovery Serum. You guys, this is amazing. So I still use my Genifique. It is more of a concentrate, so it's a little more watery, and I love that. So I do use that first. But about 6 weeks ago, I had the opportunity to get my hands on this new product from MURAD. What I can tell you is, within the first week I was using it, multiple people, and I'm not kidding you, like at least 4 asked me, are you doing something different with your skin? And the only thing different I was doing was MURAD. And they didn't mean, are you doing something different with your skin? It doesn't look good. They followed it up by, wow, your complexion's looking great. Like, you're glowing and you just look, it looks really good. Your skin looks really good. This is the only thing I changed. I'm gonna pump it for you. It's a kind of a thicker serum. It is so wonderful. So a little bit about it. The Revitalixir, it is a stress relieving serum. Let's be honest, you guys, who isn't stressed out nowadays? I mean, we live in a stressful time. And little bit of information. Did you know that stress can make you look 3 years older? That was a disturbing little find. So I looked more into this and what it was all about. So I have to use some cheat notes because I want to give you, I looked up some of the ingredients that's in it. I have to read them because I don't know them by heart. But first of all, it has these little balls in here. They're little spheres and they're encapsulated. I've used quite a bit of it already. Gosh, I'm so in love with it. Honestly, you'll see and feel a difference in the texture of your skin the first week you use it. No lie, I'm not even kidding you. It has hemp seed oil, which contains omega-3, 6, 9, and relieves dryness and helps with wrinkles. Paracress extract, which soothes the skin. Hyaluronic acid, of course, that plumps the skin. Outer gel renews the vibrancy. Wild indigo, it calms skin and its stress levels. Neuropeptides addresses wrinkling due to the facial expressions. So, well, if you watch me, hello, I'm using facial expressions every day. We all do. That's why we get wrinkles on our face. I mean, we're using those muscles, we're working them out every minute. So neuropeptides, they address that. Caffeine helps with puffiness and dullness. Niacinamide, which has vitamin B3 and refines texture and skin tone. It also, these spheres release at the time it's applied, so it's nice and fresh every time. So like I said, you can intertwine it into your regimen that you're using already. You don't need to change anything if you don't want to. If you want to, that's fine too. I personally haven't changed a thing, I've just added it. So I will cleanse, I put Genifique, my concentrate, the Genifique from Lancome, concentrate on, a little drop, put it on. I follow that up with this Revitalixir Serum, 1 pump. I put it on, I put it down my neck, on my chest. Then I put just a tiny bit of moisturizer. You know, by the time you get there, once your skin is super hydrated, you're not needing a ton of moisturizer. So I put a little bit of moisturizer, follow that up. It has a sunscreen, it has a moisture lock. My eye cream Now what's nice, again, you can put this up around your eyes. So I'm already putting a serum and then now an eye cream over the serum. You guys know how I feel about my eyes. Like, and anybody in your eyes, please, please, please treat them gingerly. Now that I have a serum that I can put under my cream, that's even more awesome. It feels so good. And then I'm ready to prime and do my makeup. If you would like, you can always cleanse, do the serum and a moisturizer. You don't have to do all the steps that I do. I enjoy it, I love it, it works for me. Doesn't mean it's always gonna work for everybody. So find what works for you, but try and fit this serum in because it is truly an amazing product. Brand new, came out less than 6 months ago. I think MURAD has hit a home run. It feels amazing. It gives like a smoothness to the skin. I mean, you can't see it, but I'm telling you guys, this product for me has been revolutionary. It really, truly has. I am absolutely in love with it. I love that people noticed without knowing that I am using it, noticed a difference in my skin. I mean, that right there, doesn't that make you fall in love with a product? Even if you didn't see it, the fact that someone else said, what are you doing differently? And I know the only thing I've been doing differently is this serum, then it narrows it down. I mean, that's it. I mean, this is just quick and to the point. It's an amazing serum. I think everybody should go out and buy it, honestly. It's $89. You use 1 pump in the morning, 1 pump at night, plenty enough product in that 1 pump to put all over your face, down your neck, on your chest. It actually says to go all the way down to your chest. It'll address all those areas. And it's for everyone. For dry skin, for oily skin, for normal skin. Everyone can use it. For young skin, for aging skin. I mean, we're all stressed. My poor little 13-year-old stressed in school because he's got tests. So that this addresses that issue is huge. That it makes a difference visibly is huge. And I really think you guys should try it. I'm gonna have a link for the product below, so if you wanna check it out, check out the ingredients. I know I ran down quickly what was in there, but if you want to check out the ingredients a little deeper, feel free. So that's what I gotta say. It's been short and sweet. Subscribe, have a great night, and I will see you soon. Give me a thumbs up. Bye.